Did Rizal retract? Yes. Dr. Rizal, the prominent Filipino nationalist and polymath, faced a controversy regarding the issue of whether he retracted his writing against the Catholic Church and his criticisms of Spanish colonial rules in the Philippines. In December 1896, Rizal was implicated in the Philippine Revolution against the Spanish rule and subsequently arrested, tried, and sentenced to death by firing squad. During his imprisonment, at Fort Santiago, Manila, there is a debate among historians about whether Rizal signed a retraction document. Some accounts suggest that he wrote a retraction statement re-announcing his anti-Catholic writing and affirming his loyalty to the Church and the Spanish government. However, the authenticity and circumstances surrounding this retraction have been a subject of scholarly debate and controversy. Many historians and scholars argue that the alleged retraction might have been coerced by Spanish authorities or fabricated to diminish Rizal's revolutionary influence or to justify his execution. Others believe that while Rizal made some conciliatory gestures towards the church, he did not fully retract his belief or principles. Rizal's unwavering dedication to advocating for reforms in the Philippines, his writing that sparked national consciousness, and his ultimate sacrifice is as a martyr for the cause of Philippine independence have solidified his status as a national hero. The controversy surrounding his alleged retraction adds complexity to his legacy, highlighting the challenges faced by historical interpretation and the intricacies of Rizal's final days under Spanish captivity. The issue of Rizal's alleged retraction continues to be a subject of extensive study and debate among historians and scholars, shedding the light on the complexities of his life and the circumstances surrounding his final moments. Rizal, Rizal's character, his ideals, and his contributions to the Philippine nationalist movement remain central to the understanding his legacy. While some historical accounts suggest a retraction, the authenticity and context of this supposed document may have been heavily scrutinized. Critics argue that any retraction made by Rizal, if it indeed occurred, might have been a pragmatic move to secure his family safety or to create a semblance of compliance while still holding true to his beliefs.